Hey guys, welcome back to Team Edge Creations. In this video, I'm gonna explain how to use a 4x4 keypad using Arduino. Let's get started. The keypad works like a switchboard and keys are recognized using rows and columns. First 4 pins represent rows and other 4 represent columns. To start off, connect keypad with Arduino as shown in diagram. You can use Arduino Uno, Nano or Mega, but I use Arduino Nano. After that, upload this code to Arduino. You can find link to this code in the description below. Okay, so here's the code. Now, the first line include keypad.h. Keypad.h is the library file. You can install the library file by going to sketch, include library, manage libraries, and waiting. I'm gonna fast forward. No, I'm not. I'm gonna keep it. And searching for keypad. Okay, so here is the library. Now I have already installed it, so you can I can't install it anymore. Yeah, so it's already installed. So you have to install this library file. Now, second to these two lines are normal variables that contain the number 4 by 4, which are actually dimensions of the keypad, of course. Now this is an array. Basically, it's a switch. It's actually represent every switch of the circuit or the keypad. Now these two rows are actually also arrays, but they store the values of the pins of Arduino that are connected with keypad. Now first 4, like as I said, first 4 are rows and the second 4 are columns. Now this line of code actually declares the keypad. It's a constructor, I think so, I don't know, constructor maybe. Here's the name of the keypad 1. You can rename it whatever you want to. And ahead it's written how the sketch of the keys, the row pins, column pins, number of rows, number of columns, simply. Here's the void setup. Void setup actually runs once. If you are new to Arduino, I'm gonna tell you that, but if you are not, you don't really need to know, but I already told you. Here's void loop. Code statements in the void loop are repeated again and again and again. It's an infinity loop. You can create it. I'll show you how later. Now we declare another variable that stores the key that is pressed, the character variable. Like if I press 1, it will store 1 from here. Simple. Now here is an if condition. If the key press is not equals to empty, no key represent an empty key. If it's not an empty, it will print out which key is pressed on serial monitor. Simple. Don't get it? Repeat the video. After that, verify and upload. Now open serial monitor and the key you pressed on keypad should appear on serial monitor. Unless there's some problem, troubleshoot it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Or you'll see us, which makes more sense. Or here is just thing, and just click here and there. I don't know what to do next. It's awkward.